name is Tobi. I am the driver for Team Raptor Rex. Team Raptor Rex is a Rebelle Rally team, and it consists of myself, the driver, and my teammate Cara, who's my navigator, and our third teammate, my 23 Bronco Raptor. And we do the Rebelle Rally, which is a 10-day, 8 competition day off-road navigation rally. And it's mainly through California and Nevada. And we have no GPS, so it's just a map and compass navigation rally. And it's out in the desert, and we use our vehicle to kind of guide us where we need to go. We lock up our cell phones, and yeah, we rely on our vehicle to get us where we need to be for the rally. For the 2025 Rebelle Rally, we were able to run Repulsor RT tires for the entire rally, and they proved to be extremely successful and help us aid in completing the rally. And they were extremely successful for us. I was very happy with their performance, their durability. We actually ended up having a sidewall puncture on day 2 of the rally when we encountered a rather large rock that was off to the side of the trail. But our confidence in the tires actually led us to not take a penalty and run the remaining days without a spare tire. And the durability of the tires that we had proved so successful that we didn't have another puncture, we had no other issues, and that was what helped us get to 4th and not have to take a penalty and really just be able to finish the rally successfully. Now we are running the Repulsor MT3 tires on our rally vehicle, and this will lead us into our next training season in the mountains, in the dunes, and going into our next competition year.